Hi guys, welcome to Champion Craft. I'm going to start Prometheus Certified Associate course series, and this is the first video in that series where we talk about what is Prometheus and related terminology. Before we talk about what is Prometheus, we need to understand some terminology around observability. So let's discuss what observability means in the first place. So what is observability? Observability is nothing but it's the ability to understand and measure the state of a system based on the data generated by the system, especially in unexpected scenarios. Observability allows you to generate actionable outputs in dynamic environments. So observability will help us providing better insights into the internal workings of a system or application, speeding up troubleshooting, detect hard to catch problems, monitor the performance of an application, improve cross-team collaboration. The main purpose of observability is to understand the internals of your system. As system architectures continue to become more complex, new challenges arise in tracking down issues, making problem solving far more challenging. There is a growing need for observability as we transition towards distributed system and microservice based applications. When troubleshooting issues, we require more than just knowledge of what is wrong. We need to understand why our application entered a specific state, which component is responsible, and how to prevent it in the future. Observability provides the flexibility to comprehend unpredictable events, answering the questions such as why the error rates rising, why is their latency high, why are services timing out. The three pillars of observability are metrics, traces, and logs. Let's talk about logging first. Logs are records of events that occurred and encapsulated information about the specific event. Logs are composed of timestamp of when that log occurred, message containing the information. Logs are the most common form of observation produced by systems. However, they can be difficult to use due to the verbosity of the logs outputted by system or applications. Logs of processes are likely to be interwoven with other current processes spread across multiple systems. So let's talk about traces now. Traces allow you to follow operations as they transfer through various systems and services. This capability enables us to track an individual request and observe its flow through the system hop by hop. Traces help us connect the dots on how process and services work together. So each trace has a trace ID and can be used to identify a request as it transfers to the system. Individual events forming a trace are called spans. Each span tracks the following: the start time, duration, and parent ID. Now let's talk about metrics. Metrics provide information about the state of a system using numerical values like CPU utilization, number of open files, HTTP response times, number of errors. The data collected can be aggregated over time and graphed using visualization tools to identify trends over the time used like Grafana. Metrics contain 4 pieces of information: metrics name, value, timestamp, dimension. You can see an example in the picture. Now what is Prometheus? Prometheus is a monitoring solution that is responsible for collecting and aggregating the metrics. Note, Prometheus deals with metrics, not with logs, not with traces. Thank you guys, that's it for this video. See you on the next video. Bye bye.